now at 6.
Delator now!
Team coverage on a state trooper charged with murder after this traffic stop.
Ricky Cobb II should be alive today.
We have a second-by-second breakdown of the deadly encounter with new information prosecutors say backs up the charges. Plus, the strong defense from the troopers' legal team.
Open season on law enforcement must end.
After 20 years, the owner of Frogtown's Moantown is expanding, and he's doing it here at the former Sears property at Maplewood Mall.
We are incubating a lot of people to become business people.
I'm Pafu Yang. Coming up, I'll have more on the plans.
When the right thing falls into place, it just kind of happens.
And a beloved bookstore is turning the page.
It's really special. We always see generations come in.
The new owners who will write the next chapter for Wild Rumpus Bookstore. Those stories and more right now on 5 Eyewitness News.
Good evening. I'm Lindsay Brown.
And I'm Kevin Dorn. Tonight, we have team coverage of the new murder charges against a Minnesota state trooper. Body cam video shows Trooper Ryan Londrigan shooting Ricky Cobb II during a traffic stop on I-94 in Minneapolis in July. Ryan Race joins us with a moment-by-moment breakdown of the video and the new charging information from prosecutors.
But first, Eric Chaloux has Mary Moriarty's explanation of her decision and the reaction it's getting.
Ricky Cobb II's mother issued a statement after the charges against Trooper Ryan Londrigan came down. Naira Fields Miller saying in part, quote, "This is the first step towards closure and justice." For the last several months, the Hennepin County Attorney's Office has been reviewing the deadly summer traffic stop.
Delator now!
Within several tenths of a second after giving the command, Hennepin County prosecutors say Minnesota State Trooper Ryan Londrigan fired his weapon twice, striking the driver, Ricky Cobb II, during a traffic stop that turned deadly last July.
Ricky Cobb II should be alive today.
County Attorney Mary Moriarty says Londrigan didn't follow the law.
State troopers may only use deadly force when it is necessary to protect a person from a specific identified threat of great bodily harm or death that was reasonably likely to occur.
Prosecutors charged Londrigan with second-degree murder without intent, first-degree assault, and second-degree manslaughter. Cobb was stopped for driving with no lights at I-94 in Minneapolis, but then troopers wanted him to step out to discuss another legal matter, according to the complaint. Later, Cobb let off the brake, the car started to move, leading to the shots being fired by one of the troopers, according to prosecutors.
The training that they received, very extensive training by the State Patrol, was that shooting someone was not likely to cause the person to stop driving. So shooting someone was not an appropriate or necessary use of deadly force.
Here's a video statement Trooper Londrigan's lawyer, Chris Medell, posted after charges were filed.
This county attorney has provided sweetheart deals to murderers and kidnappers, and now today she charges a hero. This county attorney is literally out of control. Open season on law enforcement must end, and it's going to end with this case.
Court records show a first appearance for Londrigan listed for Monday afternoon in Minneapolis. At this point, the trooper is not in custody as he was charged by summons. As for Cobb's family, they plan to speak out again tomorrow at a news conference. We'll follow that for you. Live in the newsroom tonight, Eric Chaloux, 5 Eyewitness News.
Okay, thank you, Eric. Now, defense lawyers for Trooper Londrigan are already asking a judge to dismiss this case. Shortly after Mary Moriarty announced her decision, his attorneys filed a motion arguing prosecutors abused the grand jury process. They say a grand jury was assembled but did not return an indictment. And late today, Moriarty's office said they never asked the grand jury for an indictment and said it was used for investigative purposes